Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the system. Install all pending Windows 11 updates and then reboot so patches apply. Once done, free at least 10% of the system drive to prevent paging slowdowns. Use Storage Sense or delete temp files. Next, open Task Manager and sort by CPU and memory to locate runaway processes, end them if safe. Make sure to note any unfamiliar startup items. These quick actions remove common causes of lag and give a clean baseline for deeper fixes. Now you move into diagnostics. Run dism restore health followed by sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files that often cause stutters. While scans run, switch the power plan to high performance and set graphics to performance in settings to reduce throttling. This improves responsiveness. Open services and disable non-essential background services, then update crucial drivers in Device Manager, starting with GPU and storage controllers. These steps address hidden software and driver issues that create intermittent lag and poor task prioritization. Finish by trimming background workload and visual overhead. Set performance options to a minimal custom profile so Windows skips heavy animations. Verify disk health with chkdsk and confirm trim is enabled on SSDs to avoid write delays. Once complete, monitor behavior for several hours. If lag persists, boot into safe mode to see if third-party software is the culprit, and test using a clean user profile to isolate settings. One key troubleshooting tip. If problems continue, roll back the last driver or update. Hardware changes often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.